Don't have to clean a radiator at all anymore. Going from blowing out once a day down to blowing it once a week, or not even that at times.
Hi, Zach Corbin with Cleanfix Fans. Today we're here with Lydell Martin of Deer Country and Kevin Gable of Pro Ag Services to present the 200,000th fan. Tell me a bit about your guys' operation.
I work for Deer Country Farm and Lawn, the servicing dealer for this machine. I'm also owner and manager of Pro Ag Farm Services.
I'm one of the main operators for this machine here. We do custom cutting. It's mainly corn in the fall. We have two machines. This one does the majority of it.
And I imagine with that there's a lot of debris that's built up in the air, packing the rad a bit. How have you found that? It's been a pretty typical problem for you guys then?
So the corn, depending on the stage of the corn, sometimes it can be very dirty and dusty. But yes, building up in the radiator has been kind of an ongoing problem actually for a number of years. You got a crew of guys on the job. You know, you might have 3 or 4 carts, a bagger guy, and stopping in the middle of the afternoon to blow the radiator out is honestly really frustrating.
It doesn't just stop one machine, right? It stops it all and, just grinds everything to a halt, right? And that has that trickle-on effect, right? So keeping the operation moving, keeping things running, that just all stacks on. Now, how'd you guys come across Cleanfix? How'd you hear about us? Was it just through research, kind of seeing a problem, looking for a solution?
Had the idea 3 years ago, based off of other machines having a reversing fan, contacted Cleanfix with the idea of installing a reversing fan in this machine to try to reduce the amount of radiator dirt and cleaning times that we needed to do prior. They worked on the first fan hub and drive for it, which we installed last fall.
Yep.
Tested it, improved that design a little bit, and we installed the next fan this fall, and it has done an excellent job.
Kevin, how would you find it? Definitely less time spent, having to clean out the rad, kind of keep the operation running a bit smoother?
This fall was a great improvement for the one last fall. Even over the stock fan, it's a large improvement. Don't have to clean a radiator at all anymore. Going from blowing out once a day down to blowing it once a week, or not even that at times.
Hey, that alone, that's time saved, dollars of efficiency, right?
And even though we had to do some cleaning, we didn't overheat this engine once this fall. For the health of the engine, I'm very in favor of keeping the engine temperatures in line. Very happy actually with the fan design. Very impressed with Cleanfix and being willing to work at a solution here for us, and the guys are great. They were down to help install this fan this fall and make sure everything was right. Just really appreciate Florin and actually everyone that I've worked with. They were designing this from me taking pictures, giving them some measurements, and they had come and visited to make sure that they got the fan positioning in the shroud exactly like they wanted.
This is a brand new development for us. It's a very exciting market that we're looking to get into, and we want to attack that project head on. So by having Florin and Noah, one of our lead engineers, come down, ensure proper fitment, it's going to make the customer experience that much better, and that's what we stand for. So now that we've fitted this initial fan, we now have that kit in our index of kits, so it can be now ordered as a serialized part for any machine, whether it's the 8000, the new coming 9000 series, or even the older 7000 series. For more information, visit cleanfix.org or give us a call today.